Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's a new video, how to invest and get in on crypto with excuse by any. Today's video is how to cryptocurrency invest. Cryptocurrency invest his stable and aggressive evening personal financial express source Orman found agreement well she first attempt to invest using cryptocurrency exchange. It was just tool complaint for me she recent old next advertise and visitor highly specialist invest many investors are approach coins but for these who interest in crypto by not by and holding active cryptocurrency these are will still invest will interact and make already have explored the crypto without event knowledge related weekly crypto news roundup how to invest crypto with buying coins the easily get invest explore crypto without buying crypto purchase stock and company with financial stake. The future cryptocurrency is blockchain technology, but invest individual stock can be similar risk in investing in cryptocurrency. Redirect choosing invest individual stock expert recommended investor put the money defense in box fund or if FT investor with the provide recorded of long-term growth in value. Belief is not most individuals with relevant plan or on invest probably access fund already have some explores of crypto scene documentary which reinforce financial planning. Many of Beck's best index fund I like SRP 5100 to total market fund publicity chart complaints that have some involvement with the industry easily managing crypto bank individual department of blockchain technology of holding amount crypto on their balance sheet say juniors for experts with holding over billions dollars of Bitcoin expert payments the past any fund tricks SP since 2020 become one the most value and this company in books articles however have some extra such cash and total risk you can choosing small amount profitable special companies more inbox fund manual fund and investor of future cryptocurrency could invest the stock companies work on technology see suggested personal financial expert behave personal financial club expert general recommend keeping this investment without signing company stock especially in box fund or cryptocurrency it feels of less than 5% of total invest profit invest in company without crypto interest there's personal financial such omni did she recent told next advertise about she invest MicroStrategy cold company firm that holding billions of bitcoins because CEO was betting all the company working capital into Bitcoin. She figure and Bitcoin increase value so what value MicroStrategy stock. But anything was following Omni recommended index funds such better invest strategy banking individual stock rather than buying any single crypto forward company. It is better many balanced profitable edifying companies with crypto interest and market source. She are individual in inbox invest companies we his but also help keep investor defined with brother funds. If you invest value express use the site holding such fund all value funds that increase especially if company just interest company task I like trust and behind and tools will offer last all value products that have holding of the share is invest platform similar was such company without inbox multinational funds but especially ETFs and multiple fund is also high less fees than today's in market inbox so pay how to such going be changing buying shares costed exploded what is pay fees under 0.2% to very low anything over 1% to very express the already especially invest high fees can hider grow every more. Here are few may express published traders companies that are added Bitcoin blockchain technology their business. These are defined not only individual joining the best last every day. Classical as digital payment platform, crypto payment and explore around it. Instead, MicroStrategy Master MicroStrategy offer business intelligent and cool service. Investor is Bitcoin Marathon Digital Holding is Aram Bitcoin managed operate North America rooted blockchain reported right blockchain is Bitcoin managed company. Bitfarms operator blockchain computer center. Galaxy Digital BR Galaxy Digital is broker deals involved crypto invest management trade custody and manage founders promote your cryptocurrency. Company holds our billions dollars with a Bitcoin temporary accept Bitcoin payment is easily 2021 before ending the program but mask a site most like reset Bitcoin payment. PayPal is payment platform we popular can purchase cryptocurrency. Square Square recent around that word interest financial space. Coinbase is publisher cryptocurrency exchange blockchain EFTS is likes FTS blocker and crypto EFTs or subscribe my channel, like video, press the bell icon for latest mission updates. Thanks for watching.